finishing systems, we're introducing the RibbonEx ribbon corner machine that creates ribbon corners for your diplomas or menus. Happens.
Ready,
but
glue ready light.
if it's over this head or over this head, this light will light up when it's ready to shoot glue. Other than that, you can't shoot the glue. You can either use the push button or the foot pedal. The home position, a jog button, which when you use jog you have to be in manual mode, and then you also select your left or right side, which will jog through each step. So if I'm on the left side and I hit the jog in manual mode, it just does one step and stops. Second step turns vacuum on, one cylinder, and each time you press it, if I hit reset, everything comes back to its home position. In automatic mode, I can select left, left plus right, or just right by itself. And then as long as you're in automatic mode, you have your start and your stop. When you press your stop, it will finish whatever cycle it's in and then stop at the very end. If you don't press stop, it just continues to automatically cycle. Bring a new ribbon. If you want to stop and you go by it, then you have to hit reset, bring it back to home position, and throw whatever little piece of ribbon is left away. You have your two E-stops, left and a right E-stop. It's unlikely that you'd need it, but just in case. Highest quality Nordson gun, the latest technology. It's wrapped up for your safety, although some of the metal parts still get fairly warm, but as you can see, I can put my hand on it and it's warm to the touch, but it's not burning me. And these are wrapped with a insulating fiberglass blanket. We're using a dual orifice tip, which should be kept clean. If there's any drips or anything, you want to just keep track of that and wipe it off at the beginning of every cycle. We're also using over here a Nordson pump. Again, the latest technology. Keeps your temperature setting on your tank, your hose, and your gun. In order to start it, there's a manual button to start your pump, because it uses a pump. So in order to start your operation, you have to have your pump running. You simply come over and turn the pump on. When you turn the machine on, it'll automatically start heating the glue. It also has a built-in timer, 7-day timer, so that you can program it to come on Monday morning at 6 o'clock, so it's ready to go at 7. Again, like I said, we have the insulating blanket here to keep anybody's fingers from being burned. We also have a plexiglass and aluminum guarding system, so that your hands can't get hit by any moving parts, by the cutoff knife. If you really want to, you can get your hand where it's not supposed to be, but it's designed as a guide to keep your hands away from any of the moving parts or any of the hot glue. Our back door also opens up here for access to the rear of the machine for maintenance purposes, or some minor adjustments that may be necessary from time to time. Back on the machine, we have a storage table where we can store materials or the glue for the Nordson system. It uses a pelletized hot melt glue. We also can remove this table, and the bolt hole patterns are a perfect match, to add a second RibbonEx to make your machine a RibbonEx 2. That way you can do blue ribbons in the front and red ribbons in the back, or we can simply just double our production.
With two operators.
With two operators, one on the front and one on the back side.